CIS-125, Introduction to Programming Logic. So today is the 21st. Alright, Thanksgiving week. So today, it's Monday, we we did some work in class, and I talked about the project as a whole. I talked about things that are common. What we did was they received a, they had to do a design. They had to do a design, and we talked about the difficulty in doing that. The group that doing this kind of work is common, where you'd have a group come up with some design for something. Of course, this is a program. They found it difficult, and their experiences varied so much that in working in the group, they sometimes found that difficult. Things we should be able to do. We talked about managing files. Monday, we're going to do object-oriented. Wednesday, next week, we're going to have a speaker. Not this week, but next week. Okay. Now, these were different group ideas. Okay. So, this might have been group 1. And I'm not going to decipher this, but they talked a little bit. This is another one from group 1. Ideas, and we talked about the difference in terms of this looks a lot like code in terms of looking at the problem from a more holistic view. We talked about that. This group did not do modules. What they did is they talked about an inner loop to gather the information, and then at the end of the month they go back around to do the next month and get the results. So they used a flow chart. The flow chart's not real accurate. This isn't appropriate. They would need connectors, but they did that. This group had some of the ideas here. This would have been group 5, I believe. And then they had some type of a data structure here to put in the data. This group actually had the different modules they thought that they would use. They have an input module and a module for mileage and some different things like that. Started a legend. I think this was group 3. I think this was group 4. And then I didn't label group 5. It was the one, couple slide or two back. Same thing. They looked at writing a module to do the work. They have some print things here, and they talked about some things here. So the goals that we wanted to do today is we want to look at a problem, not real difficult in general, but how we would design a solution for that problem. And then what we'll do is from this I'll probably gather some work, put some key things together, and then we're going to try to code that in groups. So we'll try to make it modular, or modular, be a good word to use. And that's it.